you haven't joined us here before in Cab's Kitchen, thanks for joining us. We're super glad you're here. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We're going to teach you all kinds of great things to cook. Today, it's avocado egg rolls. Have you ever had them? They're really popular at restaurants like, what is it? California Pizza Company, BJ's Restaurant, and what's that other one?
Cheesecake.
At the Cheesecake Factory. Oh yeah. The reason they become so popular is they're absolutely delicious. So today we're going to show you how to make something you may have never made before. We're going to make them 4 different ways. We're going to teach them a couple different ways to cook them. And stick around to the end. We're going to do a taste test to see which ones actually taste the best. Write your comments down below. Hit that like button and remember to subscribe. We're making avocado egg rolls. Now, growing up as a kid, we had about 50 avocado trees, and to be honest with you, I didn't like avocados. I don't know if it was the color or just the texture, but I was even afraid to try them. But boy, I was wrong. They are so good. Now, my favorite avocados, get the Haas. They have the most flavor to them. Take them, go ahead and get the pit out and peel them up and just dice them up nice and small. And we're gonna make about 4 different kinds. One of the kinds I wanted to try to make, I love a good mango salsa, so I thought it'd be fun to do a mango avocado egg roll. Now, if you've never done this, take your mango, there's a hard core in the middle, so you're not gonna cut all the way through. Just do nice little slices once you've peeled it. Then what we'll do is we'll do a cross slice, all the way down to the hard part in the middle. Now, just take a portion of that and cut it like this, and it's the easiest way to dice a mango. Boy, if they're fresh, the smell is amazing. Those are good. I like sun-dried tomatoes. They're really good. Just cut them up really small. And we're gonna use a lot of cilantro. So we'll get those into perfect size. Now, we wanna season these avocados. So first thing I'm gonna do is get a good lime and we'll just juice it right on top. Then on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and add some sea salt and some fresh ground pepper to this. Now, you don't want them too mushy, so you just kind of fold this all in together so the flavors get all over it, but you want the nice clumps. First one we're gonna make, let's do a mango avocado egg roll. First, take your wrapper, lay it out, and we'll add our avocados. Next, we're gonna add our fresh mangoes. Then I've diced up a few tomatoes on there and some onions, and we'll top it off with our cilantro. My wife makes egg rolls all the time, so I'm gonna let her show you how to properly wrap them. Push everything to one end, nice and tight. She's got the perfect technique. She's been making egg rolls her whole life. Just roll them up at the very end. You can use egg there, but we're just gonna use a little water, work fine. That helps it stick together, just like that. Second one I wanna teach you how to make is a bacon avocado egg roll. Now, this is my wife's recipe. We're gonna take our avocados, some onions, some sweet corn in there, and of course, my wife likes everything spicy, so you gotta have a few jalapeños and our bacon. And I'm gonna top it off with some cilantro, and we'll wrap those up. The third one, sun-dried tomatoes. We'll take those sun-dried tomatoes we cut up, sprinkle them right on top of our avocados and our onions, add some cilantro, and if you didn't catch it the first time, watch how to do this one more time. Pull on each side, everything's nice and tight at one end, we'll add our water. Perfect. And the last one, I want to do a cranberry and glazed walnuts. Okay, we've got our avocados out. We'll add our cranberries and glazed walnuts, a little onion in there, and our cilantro. And we've got 4 beautiful avocado egg rolls. Now we're going to bake half of them. These ought to be a little healthier this way. I'm going to give them a quick coating of a good coconut oil. That'll help them just to crisp up. Put them in the oven for 350 degrees. For 30 minutes, we'll flip them halfway through. And let's do a dipping sauce. 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. We've chopped up some jalapeños in there. I'm gonna use about a 1/4 cup of cilantro and a clove of garlic. Of course, some salt and pepper to your liking, and just mix it up really good. That is a great cilantro dipping sauce right there. Really easy to make. Now, in my 2.3 quart casserole dish, I've preheated 2 cups of vegetable oil. Once you've got it nice and hot, go ahead and throw in your avocado egg rolls. They'll brown up pretty quick, but keep flipping them till they're nice and golden brown, and those are looking perfect. Now go ahead and put them on a paper towel, kind of saturate some of the oil out of that, of course. Now, the ones you put in the oven, once those are done, those look great too. So we'll put them side by side. We've got the same ingredients in all of them, but they're just cooked different. We'll see how they taste. They do look good. Now, I've asked my wife, Paul, to help me. She's going to help us do the taste test. We'll see which we think is best. This is what we have. We've got top ones here. Those are the fried ones.
Yep.
Bottom ones are the baked ones. We've got 2 dipping sauces. This is the one we made, and this is a sweet and sour sauce. So I'm going to try a fried one first.
And I'll try the baked one here, the sun-dried tomato one.
See what they like. Oh my gosh, they're so good.
Wow.
Good. How was it baked?
It's really moist inside. I think because it takes longer to cook for baking, and it cooks the avocado even longer, so it's really, really soft. But the outside is crunchy, and it's not greasy.
The ones that we deep fried are really crispy on the outside, which is wonderful, but also more oily, but really good on the inside.
This is the one that I chose is bacon bits with corn. So
And jalapeno?
And jalapeno, and it's fried. We'll see. I think I will like it.
Knowing you, you will. Good?
Yeah, this is it's the same thing. A little greasy, but the flavor of my bacon and avocado together and corn is super delicious with jalapeno.
Got a little kick to it?
Yeah.
I bet.
But I think I prefer
The baked.
baked over the.
Isn't that weird?
Because I
She
thought
told
it
me
was
ahead of time she was gonna like the deep fried one like it's a traditional egg roll
Yeah.
better, but
I think with avocado egg rolls, I think baked it tastes so much better.
it is good, isn't it? And this is the one with the cranberry walnuts. I'm gonna try this one with the sweet and sour sauce.
It's good.
Oh, super good. This is one with the sun-dried tomatoes.
Wow. Mango's really good too.
Isn't that good?
A little sour and sweet flavor.
They are good baked, aren't they?
Yeah, I think I prefer baked over deep fried and avocado egg rolls.
I like the crispiness a little better of this, but the
flavor
flavor
of
the avocados and everything is better when you bake them. Okay, everybody, you gotta try this. Put whatever your favorite things are in there. Obviously, you can do that. Bake them up, fry them up. Make a avocado egg roll. They're super good, super easy. We'll see you next time here at Cap's Kitchen. Thanks for joining us. Remember to what?
Like her and subscribe our channel.
Yep, remember to like it. Remember to subscribe to us. Write your comments below. And thanks to 360 Cookware for giving us the pans to put in the oven and the pans to cook our food on. 360cookware.com. Just use my code CAP20. They'll take 20% off. And a little bit of that comes back to us to help us keep cooking for you. So thanks for all your support. I'll see you next time right here in Cap's Kitchen.